Alright, we're back at slot 633 today. Let's see what my construction crew's been up to. Oh, hey construction crew. What have you been doing today?
Lisa is taking out all the nasty drywall so that we can make it look pretty again.
Wow, she did all this drywall back there by herself.
Yeah, we had to mix and match, but we were able to get the right sizes. Some areas had to be thicker because the wall was bowed. So you have to get creative by using 3/4 to a 1/2 inch of drywall. And pretty soon, because a lot of our viewers are asking for us to do a how-to step-by-step, especially when it comes to subfloors. So we're going to be doing that soon. Today it's muggy in South Carolina.
When is it not?
Muggy a lot. Yeah. And today we're working on the tub. Steve had done subfloor repair. And trying to make sure you sink these in and actually get a stud.
That's right, because if you hit a stud, you've got a nice secure hold on that drywall.
Yeah. You want to make sure you sink your screws in so when you go back in mud, you're not going to see this, but a plastic sheet of surround's going to go back to your neck. So I'm going to mud these up, take this, do it right, and
we'll get the surround in so the tub can be usable again.
yeah, and put a really nice new faucet in there. Get this little band-aid off. Maybe it had a hole here before and they decided to put a band-aid in their tub. That's what you find. Alright.
Alright, later.